think Mama, I work on the Peter.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
I want to find what God do for me this month.
What you got for this month? Okay.
Last month, night. On the night.
Go
to my daddy first.
Okay, go sing.
You go for pray.
Okay.
As you pray finish, let's say make I eat food.
Yes.
Like apple.
Yes.
And watermelon.
Watermelon, yes. So we eat watermelon, apple.
The same work I do watermelon.
Yes.
That's okay, I am. So that's on that night. Be on Tuesday. Cost there for office. You go for pray. Now you say, look at take it. You go take apple and watermelon. And pray what you take water. I said, okay, I am. I said, okay, I am. I can't go that way, I can't go market. Can't go what is food. I said, madam, I want buy fruit like a watermelon and apple. Because I said, I won't buy them, keep on, go and eat them. Say no, mama, go spoil. I said, go to watermelon, they bring it, go spoil. Say,
if you cut out, they bring watermelon to spoil. Okay.
So I don't say, what if you want the children? If you say you go to the work, say if you can't go out, go to work. So very good food. So I said, I get food, I get fish, but I never walk.
You get fish, but put in the wall.
Never walk.
Okay, I can't go buy watermelon and apple.
Never walk.
Okay.
So I'll say, okay, I'm going to take some watermelon. Say this one, 500. This is the apple for 600.
Okay, after the bank, I'll
take it for 400. I said, give me watermelon 500.
Okay.
Give me apple 500.
Okay.
Now watermelon. That's what I'm doing. So I go to this and come to remember. Chop up. Deep into what I said, that the table. So I didn't know you talk at all. What did you talk?
No, she
Chop.
No, she talk.
Chop.
I say, no, she talk. Okay.
So I said, what are you going to say? I said, God give me body well.
God give me body builder. Okay, God give me body builder. Okay.
So I call my body well. I said, I want to the mirror. Yeah.
You want that egg in the carrier? Okay.
So we need to talk.
So now we should talk. Okay. I don't get fridge.
I never fridge.
Okay, you get the walk.
It didn't work. I didn't walk.
Okay.
So my body well said, say again go man. If brother, they go mosque for outside.
Quarter. Okay.
Say I think I'm remember the tutus for me. Say that I say market to them what is. Say I brother. Okay, that's what I am. So on Friday, give them maybe give them. Again, give me back tutus for me. So what I want to know, what about the thing? As a buyer, that I said, I go do this when I get the work, and I get finished. I will do it.
You get the walk.
You didn't work. So when I got over 10 years, didn't work.
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years, didn't work. They didn't work. So how about the Babali? I said, I mean, go finish. Go
Repair.
Go check the N.N.Benjamin.
Okay, you make that if you go say for iron image. That's your body bearer. Make that if you go say for iron image. Okay.
So I said, go give an iron image for 10. I mean, I take it to my fridge. When I test the fridge. First.
Okay, wait for man. You said before you want to give us your body bearer. Then you go sell for iron image. And if you want to work for 10 years. Because make a test. Over 10 years. Because make a test the fridge first. Okay, people will give us the iron image. Okay.
So when I go test the fridge, you feel you really work.
You really work.
I said, go. I said, go. for me. On the 7th
of July.
On the 7th.
7th of July.
In the church, God do man for me.
So the food they work for 10 years.
For 10 years.
Well, for that, your what happened on Apple, they will push that they work. That's the way they